Hi, I'm Rebecca Brand, and it's March 9th, and I need to go to the pharmacy to pick up some medications. I want to give you some observations along the way, and I'm going to wear my new N95 mask I made on my DIY thing. That's a real bra in there, and it has a metal thing inside. Last time I wore it, I got some lipstick on, so I'm going to stick one of those coffee filters inside. The whole thing is where the thin part goes, and I can just change these out every day. I want to show you that people in Santa Barbara, they don't wear masks. I wear contacts. I took them out last night. I'm gonna be wearing my glasses. How do you like my new look? Here goes my mask. Oh, I guess I take my glasses off. Then the mask goes on. The glasses go on. Adjusting the strap would help. Ready to go. See? Part, but there's no wipes here. Huh. Why? I'm hearing that toilet paper is sold out everywhere, but we have some. The last one on sale. I want to get some more disinfectants, so I went to take a look at the shelves there, and they were really bare. Completely out of Lysol and products like that. 100% out. Do you have any isopropyl alcohol anywhere in the store? You're out. Do you have any shipments you expect to come in? Wednesday.
Come early.
Come early? About 9 or 10 or
8 or 9.
8 or 9. Thank you so much. I appreciate that. I'm alone in an aisle so I can talk. I got my prescription and I got my $5 extra bucks. So I'm gonna get some hand lotion because I just know that with all that hand washing, my hands are gonna get chapped. Tip. And you can wipe down your medicine bottles at home. I know I'm gonna go through a lot of hand lotion. Oh, and I got some more towels and toilet paper. Here is where the alcohol was supposed to be. Gone, but they say Wednesday at 8 or 9 o'clock, but I need some hydrogen peroxide. I'm getting some of that. Here are the empty shelves of where the face masks are supposed to be. None, 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 none. They've got one box of gloves, and I've been going through them fast. I'm buying another box. These gloves are $21 a glove package. I bought these gloves for $8, but they're not exam gloves. These look better, but in any case, I just throw them away every single time I go out. And if I make a couple different stops, I have to throw them away. I don't want to bring them in my car. I don't know what to do about all these gloves I'm going through. I can go through 3 or 4 with one shopping trip stopping at different places. It is March 9th in Santa Barbara, California, and I have a lot of water here. There's no problem with water. That's great. You know, the shelves are very well stocked. They're pretty much filled. They have lots of Kleenexes and sales even. That's good. But the zinc is really what you want, I think. And they don't have it. That is completely sold out. All the zinc. There was a viral post about a doctor that said the zinc melt tabs in your throat are really great for you. And so I think that's why. He called it coldies, but I know I have Zicam in my cabinet, which is the same thing. So happy to see lots of vitamin C, and one of my viewers told me to get some, so I will. Thank you for the tip. And it's a buy one, get one free. That's good. I'm really trying to minimize my trips to the stores. So instead of stopping, oh gosh, at a grocery store for milk, I'm just gonna get it here. I need some more milk. The food aisles are really empty at a pharmacy, you know? Well, maybe I'll do some more shopping here. You know, one-stop shopping. I see some binge foods. Oh my gosh, and they're at such good prices. I'm gonna get some of my favorites. Don't tell, no tickets please. And here we go, merrily on our way to the checkout counter. It only took me about 10 minutes to get through CVS. I am so happy, and there's hardly anybody here. but I'm telling you, they're not wearing masks. My God, and don't people come here sick to pick up drugs? There's my card of everything I bought at CVS Pharmacy today. And I want to remark that the girl working behind the cash register kept coughing and coughing and coughing. Like that. I'm like, oh my gosh. You know, Santa Barbara is a town that is right by the harbor, and we get those cruise ships in all the time. And in fact, tomorrow I'm going to a city council meeting, and they're going to be talking about the cruise ships, and I'm going to go there with my camera and see what they say, see what our government officials say about if we're going to let them in still after all the stuff going on with cruise ships. Oh my gosh. So stay with me. I'm Rebecca Brand. Subscribe to my channel. Thanks for shopping with me again to get my medications at CVS. Subscribe to my channel, and if you hit the notification bell, that's great because you'll get notified of my next video. If you don't hit it, you won't get notified. And if you can just please make a comment, because that's what YouTube needs to have the video be, you know, alerted for other people to see around the world. So that's great. Oh, you have been so supportive of me. Thank you for all your comments, good or bad. I'll take them all, just don't swear. Well, I got through that. I'll tell you, people were looking at me like I was such a freak in my getup. I mean, nobody had a mask. Nobody wore gloves. And this is home of all those cruise ships. Go figure. Bye.